Imagine this. Your brand new LLC, it gets approved for up to $50,000 in funding with no income proof, no tax returns, and you get 0% interest for 18 months. I mean, it sounds too good to be true, right? But it's real, and I've got 10 banks willing to give you this. Plus, I'll give you a hack to maximize how much they do give you. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain on 10 banks that will lend your new LLC up to $50,000 each, even if you're just starting and have no financial history. I'll reveal also the insider tips and tricks to boost your approval odds and how to get the most out of each bank. And stick with me because I've got a bonus tip at the end that could get you an extra $150,000 in personal capital. First up, Bank of America. B of A is known for its business credit cards with 0% APR for the first 9 billing cycles. And get this, they offer up to $50,000 in funding through their stated income program, meaning you don't need to show proof of income. To boost your chances, I recommend opening a business checking account with at least a $500 deposit. And if you want even better odds, add a personal checking account or a personal credit card with them. Trust me, I've got personal experience with B of A. Every bit here counts. Next on the list, bank number 2, Chase. This bank's business credit cards come with 0% interest for up to 12 to 24 months. Chase also reports to major business credit bureaus like Equifax and Dun & Bradstreet, which means you'll build a solid business credit profile here. Not only that, but you can score a high sign-up bonus, like $750 for spending $6,000 on the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited. And the pro tip here, if you already have a personal credit card with Chase, it'll make your approval odds even better. US Bank is the third bank. They offer up to 18 months of 0% interest through their triple cash card, with credit limits as high as $23,000 for new LLCs. To increase your chances, open a free silver business checking account. Deposit some cash and then let it sit for about 30 days before applying. This simple setup could be the difference between a small credit limit and getting the full $50,000 they give to seasoned LLCs. Bank number 4, PNC Bank, the hidden gem. PNC Bank might be flying under the radar, but it's a gold mine for small businesses. They offer lines of credit up to $100,000, although for the full amount, your LLC usually does need to be at least 2 years old. But don't worry if your LLC is newer. They have other options that don't require tax returns or bank statements. Another pro tip, don't wait until you're desperate to apply. Banks are quick to offer an umbrella on a sunny day, but just as quick to snatch it back when it starts to rain. So apply for funding and credit before you need it. Bank number 5, Wells Fargo, the second largest bank in the US. They got a small business advantage line of credit, specifically for businesses under 2 years old, with credit limits up to $50,000. And here's the Wells Fargo blueprint. Walk into a branch, open a business checking account, and then apply for the line of credit. Bank number 6, a mid-sized bank with big support, Truist Bank. They focus on small and mid-sized businesses, offering lines of credit up to $50,000 with no tax returns or income proof. Now, Truist, it might not be available everywhere, so check if they operate in your state. But they're a fantastic option for newer LLCs with limited documentation. And here's pro tip number 3. Don't stop at just one bank, because here's the strategy. You want to apply at multiple banks. I mean, imagine $50,000 from each one. That's potentially $500,000 of growth capital. And with that said, I hope I don't have to tell you to use this money wisely. I mean, this isn't about lifestyle upgrades. It's about building and scaling your business. Bank number 7, Regions Bank. They offer business credit cards and lines of credit under stated income programs, so no tax returns are needed here either. Like Truist, Regions isn't in every state, but if they're near you, they're a great option for small business credit without the usual hoops to jump through. Bank number 8, American Express. They are a powerhouse for business owners, especially with its soft pull policy. You see, once you're approved for one Amex card, applying for more won't impact your credit score. This is perfect for expanding your business credit without damaging your credit profile. And if you're not sure where to start, they offer a pre-qualification check right on their website. Bank number 9. Now, this isn't a traditional bank, but Novo offers flexible funding for new and small businesses. It's straightforward with minimal documentation needed, and it won't affect your credit here either. If you're looking for an easy, low-risk funding option, Novo, it's a solid choice. Check the link in the description for extra rewards when you sign up. Now, I know I said I had 10 banks on this list, but I've actually got 2 more for you, making it 11. Plus, I've got 3 more pro tips to maximize how much money you pull from each bank. But first, let me give you that bonus that I promised you in the intro. If you're a real estate investor or a small business owner with a 680 credit score or better, with no collections or bankruptcies in the last 7 years, you can qualify for an extra $150,000 of personal funding at nocostcapital.com. This capital comes at 0% interest, making it one of the fastest, easiest ways to access substantial credit lines. It's quick, hassle-free, and like the name says, at no cost. So check it out to add a serious boost to your business's financial fuel tank, nocostcapital.com. Now, bank number 10, the GM Business Card. It's a great tool if you're looking to avoid hard inquiries. It offers sizable credit limits without impacting your credit score, and it's perfect for business owners wanting to protect their score while securing funds. And bonus bank number 11, Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Their platform, it's another solid option. They offer a pre-qualification with no impact on your credit, and their card provides 0% APR for the first 12 months. Plus, you can earn a $750 bonus after hitting a spending threshold, making it a valuable choice for startups. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about 3 essential pro tips to maximize your funding. Number 1, build relationships. Open a checking account, make deposits, and keep it in good standing. Banks are more likely to lend to customers that they know. Number 2, name matters. So avoid high-risk business names on your LLC that have anything to do with, say, finance or consulting. Stick to something broad, generic, and simple. And number 3, reconsideration lines. If you get denied by any of these, call the bank's reconsideration line, because sometimes a human review can change a computer's decision. And it often does. And if you're wondering why or how this works, I mean, even if you are a brand new LLC with 0 revenue, banks consider projected income when assessing your application. This means you can list expected earnings based on future growth. Completely legal and just a part of how the game is played. So don't let a lack of capital hold you back. Use these strategies to access up to $50,000 or more from multiple banks and leverage it to grow your business. Do it like the rich do. Make the banks work for you, just like I show you right here in this video. I mean, if your wealth is important to you, doesn't it make more sense to do what the wealthy does versus what everyone else is doing? Stay smart, stay ambitious, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.